Okay, so as a therapist, what is something that you wish more people knew when they wanted to meet up with an ex?
One of the things I wish people understood is yes, sometimes you need to have that last conversation, that last time of getting together, speaking your truth, getting your questions answered, saying goodbye. Beyond that, cold turkey is the best way to start your healing process. And I know how hard it is, but it's like an addiction, right? It's like those neurotransmitters want that dopamine hit of hearing from that person again, seeing that person again. But if you can go no contact after that last meeting, it's going to help your healing move more quickly. And it is a matter of knowing that every day is going to get a little bit easier over time. It's that one day at a time philosophy. If you keep intermittently meeting up with your ex, connecting, texting with your ex, you're just slowing down that healing process.